So the first thing we're going to do is cover some of the basics, the essentials. Your Redbox recorder records and stores communications from all connected devices. This includes phones, PCs, trading systems, mobiles and radios. And the communications can be voice calls, video calls, instant messages and text messages. PC screens can also be recorded and the screen data saved along with the call. The Quantify product suite provides access to the recorder and its recorded communications, with applications and features covering three main areas: record, store and retrieve, system management and quality management. I won't go through every application and feature as we're only covering search and replay and live acquire in this video, but as you can see, Quantify is a very capable and very flexible product set. A few optional features you'll likely see in search and replay are audio search, call export and call safe. We'll touch on those features briefly throughout the course. Before we get into using search and replay, let's take a super quick look at login and basic navigation features. To use Quantify, open your browser and go to your recorder address or select the bookmark if you have one set up. Enter your Quantify username and password and log in. If you're using Windows Active Directory, use your Windows login as your Quantify login. If you're using Windows Single Sign-On, you won't need to enter a username or password. Roll over the Quantify main menu icon to see all the applications you have access to. Obviously, to open an application, click the relevant icon. My login has automatically taken me to the search and replay application. If you want to set a different application as your default, just click the Make Default Page button for the application. If you can't see search and replay or other applications that you should have access to, or if you can't log in or you have browser errors, see your system administrator for help. Just a couple of last basic things to mention. In the top right corner you can see an options menu. This menu is dynamic and will change slightly depending on what application you're using. Two main items worth highlighting though are Preferences, where you can change your own preferences for the application, and then Change Password, where you can change your password, unless of course you use Active Directory or Single Sign-On. Also in the top right corner is the Logout option. It's obvious what this does, but we recommend that you always log out of Quantify when you're finished, rather than just closing the browser. This helps to manage your Quantify system and performance.